Hello friends, welcome to Hunt Electronics. This is your friend Saqib, and here is a new technical session for all of you. So today in today's session we are going to talk about the vibrator sensor. Okay, so vibrator sensor interfacing Arduino Uno and analog circuitry, that is 555. Now let us see first the description and the specification. The vibrator sensor module is based on SW220 vibrator sensor, which works on the principle that when the movement or the vibration occurs, the circuit output logic will be high. So let us see what are the specification. SW420 normally closed type of vibrator sensor. It works on the voltage range from 3.3 to 5 volt. The output format is digital, that is ones and zero. It is a small size of PCB board which is 3.2 centimeter by 1.4 centimeter, that is length and width, and it consists of an voltage comparator, that is LM393 comparator over here. Now here you can see it has got a three inputs pin are there connected. One is plus VCC where you have to apply 3.3 volt or 5 volt. One is ground and one is D0, that is a digital output. There are two LED indicators over there. One LED indicates the power on supply to the module and another is the status. If the status output is logic 1, then the LED will also glow on over there. Another is a pot which increase and decrease the sensitivity of the sensor. So as per the requirement you can increase or decrease the sensitivity by the help of a 10K pot. Another, there is LM393, as I told you, it is a voltage comparator over there, and the most important, which is the heart of the circuit, that is SV420 vibrator sensor. Now let us see the applications of the sensor module. So there are vast application for this type of a sensor. The first is a shock triggering thief alarm. Thief alarm, you can implement this sensor at your home on your doors and window. So whenever you are not present at your home and someone tries to enter into your house forcefully through the window or through the door, okay, there will be the vibration in the window or door and it will start. So this sensor can be connected to the siren or alarm or beep alarm over which will start buzzing out. Or you can say the smart car, okay, if someone touches or try to move. Earthquake alarm, bird obvious when there is a vibration over there. Motorcycle alarm, so this is a very famous application for the motorcycle. So when you park your motorcycle you can turn on a vibrator sensor and if someone try to move your bike or something, so it will start giving you the alarm. And the most nowadays the commonly which is available application, that is a baby toys. So when the small babies kids are playing with the toys, electronics toys, when they touch the toy starts the music and after some time it will automatically it will be off or something. Or when a baby try to play with some toys, the output will be in terms of green multicolor LEDs or there. So all, and still there are many more application for the vibrator sensor. Now let us see how we are going to interface a vibrator sensor with Arduino Uno. So we know the Arduino Uno over here. So you can see here 5 volt I have connected over to the VCC, one to the ground, and analog pin terminal, that is A5, I've connected as the data. So when there will be the movement in this sensor, directly it will give the logic input as 1, and you can see at the pin number 13 I've connected one LED, it will start going on. Okay, now instead of this LED you can even you can connect here a buzzer or any siren alarm over here. Okay, so if there is any movement in this sensor, it will start giving alarm. Okay, I'll show. So this is another example where you can fit a buzzer over there. So Arduino, with a buzzer. Okay, now let us see with the analog circuitry. Now the vibrator sensor can be even interfaced to the analog circuitry, that is 555 over here. You can see here So plus VCC 5 volt is given over here, ground is connected, and the output of a vibrator sensor is given to the transistor BC547, and output of that is given to the pin number 2, that is the trigger of a IC555. And when this IC555 get triggers to the defined time interval, the output buzzer will be turned on. So this is a simple circuitry which you can implement to your motorcycle or bike everywhere, or in the baby toys, and number of application. You can place this at your door and window. If someone tries to open the door window forcefully, or if someone tries to move out your bike, pull everything, it will start buzzing up. Okay, so let us move towards the interface of a sensor to the Arduino Uno. So let us see the practical how we can implement. Go and let us look. So this is a vibrator sensor. You can see here there are three outputs are there. So one is VCC, another is ground, and another is data. Now this I have connected to my Arduino Uno board, okay, which Arduino Uno R3 over here. So I have given here plus VCC and then ground, and I've connected this output of the sensor to the analog input, that is A5. And now we are going to program to the output. We are going to take across the pin number 13. So I have connected here one LED over there. So when there will be the movement in the vibrator sensor, this LED will be going to turn on, or instead of LED you can put a buzzer over there. So let us do the programming. So this is a code which I have written for a vibrator sensor over there. You can see the vibrator interfacing the Arduino Uno. So it is a small code which I have written in Arduino IDE 2.0.4 over here. So here I have just defined as an integer, that is a vibrator sensor, to the port A5, and the output I have taken as an integer, that is for the LED 13 over there. Okay, so if any LED, so any vibration over there, the LED will start blinking over there. So I've defined here digital read and digital out over here, and I've kept some delay over there of 250. Okay, and so on. So let us compile and see whether the code is error free. So let us compile it. So the compile is going on. Yes, so there are no errors over there. Okay, now let us upload this. So already I've selected over here Arduino Uno over there. COM port is 4 over there. Let us upload the program. So yes, so the program uploading of the program is done successfully. So as a friend, we have uploaded the program successfully over here. Once I'll restart it. Okay, now it is restart. Now I can see here the red color LED over there, that is a power supply on over there. Now if there is any vibration or movement towards the sensor, the LED will start turning on over here. Now I'll just make some movement over here, so you can see this. So as I'm touching this sensor, so output is go. So instead of this LED, you can just implement a buzzer over there which can turn on. Or if my friends, if you don't have Arduino Uno, you can just build this mini project with the help of IC555. It is also good option over there. In developing the project, please you can contact me, and the program Arduino program will be in the description. You can just copy and paste and try it your end.